In this video, I am going to show you how to redeem cash rewards on Wells Fargo. So if you are an eligible Wells Fargo reward credit card, you can redeem your cash reward through the Wells Fargo online website or the application if you want to. So you can redeem them as statements, credits, deposits into an eligible Wells Fargo account, or for other reward options like gift cards and travel. So first of all, just go to your app or websites and sign on into your account. Once you sign in, you'll have to go into the reward section. If you want, on your browser, you can type Wells Fargo Reward Program, and you will be taken to a page with this following section. You can just go and click on credit to your account, click on it, and you will find yourself at your account to redeem your points. So after that, you'll find yourself here. Here, as you can see, you will have to choose any way to redeem your account. You can choose cash redemption if you want to, how many points, and how often do you want to redeem your rewards, like just this time, or set up a recurring auto redemption as example, and a specific amount of points. So then just go and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll find the summary. So you'll find that your redemption request is being processed. They will notify you by email once your request is completed, and you should be good to go. You can't reward it or you can't redeem it only for cash. You can, if you want an example, pay with your reward or redeem it on a gift card or even redeem it for flights, cart rental, or hotel stays if you want that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.